Are you in your 40s and struggling to lose weight, even though you feel like you're doing everything right? Here's the truth. Weight loss doesn't have to be complicated. It all comes down to one powerful principle, the calorie deficit. Stick with me, because I'll also share 7 amazing foods you should eat to stay full of energy, lose weight, and honor the body God has blessed you with. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button so you never miss life-changing tips that can help transform your health and faith journey. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button so you never miss life-changing tips that can help transform your health and faith journey. Let's start with the foundation of weight loss. No matter what diet you choose, low carb, keto, intermittent fasting, or plant-based, the truth remains the same. You must be in a calorie deficit. That means you need to burn more calories than you consume. Think of it like your bank account. If you keep spending more money than you bring in, your balance goes down. In the same way, if you consistently burn more calories than you eat, your body taps into stored fat, and the weight begins to come off. Now, being in your 40s means your metabolism isn't what it used to be. Hormones shift, muscle mass declines, and weight loss can feel slower. But the good news is, you can still do it. By choosing the right foods, moving your body daily, and keeping God at the center of your life, you'll see results. Now let's talk about 7 powerful foods that will keep you full, energized, and on track while you're in a calorie deficit. Oats, a slow-digesting carb that keeps you full longer and stabilizes blood sugar. Perfect for breakfast. Eggs, packed with protein and healthy fats. They'll keep you satisfied for hours. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and lettuce are low in calories but high in vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. Salmon, a lean protein with healthy omega-3 fats that fight inflammation and support heart health. Greek yogurt, high in protein and probiotics, great for gut health and recovery. Beans and lentils, excellent plant-based proteins that are rich in fiber to keep you full. Berries, sweet, low-calorie, and full of antioxidants. A perfect way to fight sugar cravings while fueling your body. These foods don't just help with weight loss, they help you live with more energy so you can be more active, more present, and more in tune with the life God has called you to live. Remember this, taking care of your body is an act of worship. The Bible reminds us in 1 Corinthians 6:19-20 that our bodies are temples of the Holy Spirit. Every healthy choice, every workout, every meal you eat in balance is a way to honor God. So when you wake up in the morning, pray for strength, discipline, and energy. Thank God for your body, even if it's a work in progress. And know this, each small step you take toward health is part of His greater plan for your life. If you're ready to transform your health in your 40s and beyond, start with a calorie deficit, fuel your body with these 7 powerful foods, and keep God at the center of everything you do. And before you go, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because this channel is here to help you live longer, stronger, and closer to God. Together, we'll walk this journey of health and faith. May the Lord bless you, guide you, and give you strength every single day. And as always, check the description area for any free help we may offer.